dokie. Now, some really fun trumpet tunes. All of these were published at one time singly, and now they put them into a collection. So maybe maybe know them or maybe not know them. This is Fred Swann's trumpet tune, and this I've used quite a bit for weddings here in Front Street over the last several years. Which has not been published for a very long time. So you may know this or may not. Which I think is fun. And then this is the Roy Brunner Trumpet Processional. And then Carolyn Hamlin, we have that one collection. She just has this nice, free little trumpet tune, which she calls Festive Trumpet Tune, which she wrote for 4 people. So they look like 4 kids in one family, or maybe it's mom and dad and 2 kids. I'm not sure. she goes back to that theme, but that's just so delightful and nice, and I'm going to share that with some of the weddings we have coming up.